And today we will install the Mongo database on Ubuntu and any of the Ubuntu version like 16.04, 18.04 and 20.04. So here is my script mongodb install.sh, and the content of this script is like this. I am explaining a little to you like this is the starting of my bash script, and here I'm enabling the debug mode of my bash script. It tells me what command you are running, right? So now I'm update the repository of Ubuntu, and here I'm adding the uh, key key for Mongo database for authentication purpose. And here I'm finding the OS name and the version, and and I install the specific repo for a specific OS, right? If it is running on Ubuntu 20, then it will add the repository for 20.04, right? Specifically for other version also. And then finally install the Mongo database here, and after that I'm creating a database text underscore db, and I'll insert my test database into the a Mongo database so that it can show in the database list. Then I create the user name and password for my test underscore db, and finally I authenticate it if it created successfully. This command gives you the output 1 if your users create successfully, right? And then I'm printing some sanity like it's your installation is gonna be okay. And then and you can after installation is done, you can uh, access your MongoDB via command line by specifying your username and password and database name. This is not a recommended way to specify password here, but for just testing purpose you can specify it. So I'm going to run it on my Ubuntu. Let me check my OS version. This will release here. This is Ubuntu.04.1 LTS. So I'm going to run it. Let's see if it runs successfully or not. It installs MongoDB successfully and adding user into MongoDB. I think not here. Adding new user MongoDB. Okay, it's currently it's installing Mondo database. La, la, la. So now finally the MongoDB is installed, and we are printing the status of MongoDB service here, and there is the there is some result of MongoDB command. When you run that command into the into the shell of MongoDB, you will get that result, right? So this is the command we have run in the script, and now created a MongoDB data test DB and user password this is. And when we run that command, this successfully print the user details and which DB this belongs to. And now finally installation is done. We can access it to your MongoDB like this command by copy and pasting it. Yes, show DBS database system. We have admin database, config local and test database. So if the our database is successfully installed, you can check it by like this: cat mongodb. This is the command you can run if your users create successfully, like use test underscore db and this authentication. See, the output of this command is 1, means your user 1 with password 123 is created successfully. So you can now you can use your mongodb. Thank you for watching this. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.